Hey everyone, it's Antonella, and today we are building trust to gain traffic. So our first 10 videos, we call them trust videos. Here are some tips. Whatever you call your video, make sure that you say that when you introduce your topic for the day, similar to the way you've heard me do that. You're going to introduce a hook, something that will keep people engaged to watch till the end or close to the end. Today, I have a pro tip that is going to really help you. You're going to want to stay for just a moment, and I'll introduce that pro tip for you. Share your content. You want to keep this 1 to 10 minutes total for your entire video. There is this magic time between 3 and 5 minutes. I tend to struggle with this a little bit. My videos tend to run a little bit longer than that. And you're going to invite people to like, subscribe, and comment because we want to keep our engagement high. Then we're going to make sure we introduce our next video, and that's how we start. The key to our trust videos, when we follow the guidelines that I outlined, Google is going to learn to rank our videos because they're going to see engagement. They're going to see people watching them. By following these simple steps, we're going to introduce one more. Sign up for my online course, and I invite you to sign up for my online course. You will then send people to videos on YouTube as people watch these videos because they've signed up for a course, so of course they're going to watch them. We will send another signal to Google because we are sending traffic from outside of Google and from outside of YouTube directly into YouTube. That's going to tell Google that the person and channel has information that more people are going to want to see. That helps with both within YouTube and in Google for people to be driven to our site, and we will get more eyes, more people watching them because it's more visible. Are you ready to make that trust video? This is that pro tip I promised. You want to upload 1 video per day, only 1, and that's important because otherwise the signal that we send to Google is not what we want. So tomorrow we're going to solve problems to make sales. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notify button to be subscribed. Have a great day.